Hi everyone, we are back out again and it is deep. Josh is walking in it. I'd say we've definitely got like 6 inches. So far it's been kind of a whiteout and it's only lunchtime right now. So crazy. But the kids are going. I am going to check out something because I saw something when I was inside earlier. I saw back out here by the trees, and I'm sorry you can't see my face, but it's that cold. Back out here by the trees, I saw something move really quickly that was dark behind the trees, and at first I thought it was an animal. But now I'm thinking that a tree fell down. So I am going to check that out. Oh my goodness. And my feet are sinking. You can't see it. Into the snow. Can you see it now? Sinking feet. So Kendall's loving it. Hey Kendall girl. She's off into the snow. If you can even tell. She's going to check out whatever it is that's over here. Oh my goodness, it's like out of Bambi. It's so beautiful. And it's so untouched. And I've got little one coming behind me. Hey Jeremiah. How's it going, buddy? Can you believe how deep it is? Yeah, you loving it? And he's off. Yeah. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's see. I'm not seeing much. So maybe the tree limb, it looks like it's farther down. Just broke. Oh yeah, it did. I think. Yep. It broke off. So there's this, I don't know, it's hard for you to tell. But if you can see this, there's a big difference here from the rest of the tree. This limb broke off from the weight of the cold and the ice and the snow. And yeah, it broke. Wow, that's a big limb in there. I don't know if I can get you in there to see it or not, but it definitely bent and broke. I'm in kind of a tree here. But let's see. Can you see it? Probably not. So right there, if you can see, right there, it bent and broke. And it's bent over now and just buried with the weight. And I don't think it's the only one. I'm in the trees. I don't think it's the only one. But these boys are yelling for me. They're wanting to go sledding. I don't know, it's so cold. But it's so beautiful. Isn't it just beautiful to watch it come down? Oh, I hope it's beautiful where y'all are. The trees. It's so beautiful. Just coming down. Kendall, do you love the snow? Do you love the snow, Kendall? Are you loving the snow? You show everybody your pretty face? Kendall? Yeah, you're having it fun, huh? How's it going, Jeremiah? Hey, Joshy! Are you eating it, Jeremiah? Is it yummy?
It's real good. You try.
Good.
You try some.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm gonna have some snow ice cream later.
I am too.
There's Josh. Oh, Jeremiah, making it snow. Hey, Josh. Whoa. You gonna do a snow angel? Show me a snow angel.
Okay. I don't have gloves on.
You don't have gloves on. Josh, what were you thinking?
It's snow angel proof.
How do you like the snow, Joshy?
Yeah. Josh, jump in it.
You can. He doesn't have his gloves on. Oh, there you go, Josh. You want to make a snow angel?
I can't. Because I don't.
The great blizzard of 21.
Yeah.
Your hands are like, buddy, we got to get gloves on. Come on. That's dangerous. Let's go get you some gloves. Doing good, Jeremiah? You're just a flippy flopper, if I've ever seen one. You gonna make a snow angel? Into the garden we go. A snowdrift. I bet it's a foot right there. Oh my goodness. You gonna make a snow angel, Joshy? Or you gonna follow the fence to brother? So where are the strawberries, Jeremiah? Huh? Where are the strawberries in the garden?
Oh, right.
No. It's fine. Aren't you glad we covered them up with leaves? Josh, you digging in the snow, buddy?
What? Is there ice under the snow? Mom?
Yes, baby, there is.